Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptopia. Do I have an amazing, truly undervalued hidden gem for you guys today? I actually think I do. It's called Weld. It's a platform where you can pay anywhere with crypto, and their vision and mission is to return ownership and money as well as assets to the world, putting the power back in the hands of the people. I absolutely love this concept because I am all about decentralization. I'm about putting the power back in the hands of the people, so I love this. So basically, what is Weld doing? Well, what they're doing is they're connecting the world of crypto to the traditional world of finance, and they're allowing you to be able to offboard your crypto into fiat, basically through their credit card and platform, to be able to pay for goods and services. It's fast, it's affordable, it's reliable, and anyone can access this regardless of your nationality, where you're from, what country you're living in. This is amazing because there's so much difficult regulations, and what they're working on is developing a platform that will be accessible to absolutely everybody. Now, if they're able to achieve this, if Weld can actually do this, trust me, this platform will incredibly just blow up and go to the moon, because people want to be able to use their crypto. They want to be able to go to the grocery store. They want to buy the baby diapers. They want to pay for their wine. They want to go on a date. They want to be able to use some of their gains that they make in crypto to help subsidize and pay for their day-to-day life. And it's actually somewhat difficult. So if Weld can achieve this, trust me, do not underestimate this platform. So I'm very, very bullish on this project. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I see, what I'm investing in. At the time of recording this video, I'm going to be putting about $1,000 in Weld, and I'm going to be sitting on it for this thing to absolutely go to the moon. Now, I will be taking profits on the way up, like I do in every single crypto project that I ever invest in. When I see it do a 3, 4, 5x, I pull out my initial investment and a little extra, and I let the rest sit there for a free moon bag. So, but not financial advice. If you want to follow me and basically do what I'm doing, I'm explaining to you my thought process and why I like Weld. So I'm going to let you watch a quick video on Weld put together by their team, just explaining a little bit about their platform, how it works. I'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments below. I'll see you in a minute.
Dreaming of easy-to-use crypto payments? With Weld Money, it's already possible. Imagine that you wanted to buy coffee paid by crypto. Right now is Welding with Metaverse, which lasts about 4 seconds. The POS terminal sends a request to the bank. For its part, the bank sends to Weld Money, and Weld Money verifies your identity and withdraws cryptocurrencies from your balance, from exchanges, wallets, gaming, and entertainment platforms. Weld Money allows the bank to make a transaction and the customer makes a purchase. And while you were watching our video, someone already drank delicious coffee paid by crypto card Weld.
So everybody, there you have it, Weld. I am so bullish on this project. Trust me, if they can achieve the things that they're working on, this thing is absolutely going to blow up and go to the moon. Now, I want to talk to you a little bit about the token price, where it's at, and where I think it can go. All right, I'm very bullish. This is a very low cap gem project with huge upside potential. Also high risk, high reward, because it is a very low cap project. But at the time of recording this video, it's sitting on a token price of 0.009 cents, just under 1 penny per token, okay? With a market cap of approximately $700,000, okay? This is amazing for what they're working on achieving. And if, like I said, for mass adoption, this market is tens upon tens, if not hundreds of billions of dollars a year industry. So if Weld can tap into that, trust me guys, early adopters into Weld are going to absolutely make insane gains. Not financial advice, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing and what I see, and this is why I'm investing into this project. So just to put this into perspective, it's got a $700,000 market cap, roughly at the time of recording this video. For this to do 100x, it only needs to go to a $70 million market cap. Absolutely nothing. And like you said, you think about credit cards, you think about what people are spending, you think about how much money people are going to be using if they could pull some of their crypto out to go out and go to the grocery store, go on a date, whatever it might be, and use the Weld credit card. Trust me, do not underestimate this. For this project to do 1,000x, it only needs to go to a $700 million market cap. Not even a billion. $700 million market cap. That's 1,000x. That means a $1,000 investment today could turn into $1 million. Now, will it do that? I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm hoping for the best, but like I said, so this is why I always say this. This is why I'm holding over 200 cryptocurrencies, because every single one that you hold is a chance of becoming a millionaire. That's just the reality of it. So, like I said, I say this all the time in my videos. My strategy is I try to put anywhere from $500 to $1,000 in a project. I wait until that project does a 3x, 4x. I pull out my initial investment and a little tiny bit of profit. And I let the rest of that money sit there for a long play. It's a lottery ticket. If it goes up, I'm happy. If it goes down, I'm not sad because I haven't lost anything. This is the best way to play the field and basically have the best odds of becoming a crypto millionaire, because we just don't know what project is absolutely going to go to the moon and do that 100x or do that 1000x. We have good ideas. We have intuition. We can see good projects, but there's a lot of variables that no one can calculate. All right. So trust me. So that's why I have a very big portfolio. Like I said, not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. And if it's, so if you're interested in that, feel free. I've got some other videos on this type of thing and how I work my portfolio. So feel free to check those out. But guys, truly, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. But I am going to ask you one thing. Go over and join our Patreon. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on these opportunities. Why? Because you're getting buy alerts for projects just like this for Weld. And trust me, once we put out these buy alerts and we put out these videos, the price of this will absolutely go up. So guys, this is a great opportunity for you guys to join our Patreon, okay? We're going to leave a link to our Discord. We have our VIP Telegram, our VIP Discord chat, as well as our Inner Circle chat, which gets buy, sell, stake alerts early. And trust me, people over there are making insane gains. I mean, 5, 10, 15. We've even had 30x projects in a matter of 2 to 3 days. So people are making in great money being in our Patreon group, all right? So we would love to have you, and we look forward to seeing you over there. And like I said, if you enjoyed this video on Weld, hit that like and subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. All right, Cryptopians, have a great day, and we'll see you soon.